How to change your username on Rumble. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your username on Rumble. So the very first step is to go on the Google Play Store or web browser and download the Rumble on your device. After doing that, if you can change your Rumble username or not, then the thing is you cannot change the option of you don't have the option to change the Rumble because it does not have a feature to change it. But you can upload the videos with different name. You will have to create a new account if you want to change your name. So the name you choose for your channel will determine your URL. If your name on your Rumble is my Rumble channel, your channel's link will be rumble.com. So the title of your users will be seen in your banner. You can choose my awesome Rumble channel if you want, but you cannot change your username on Rumble. So that's what it is. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.